Hello, I'm Refashionista Sheri, and welcome to another DIY in my 12 days of Thriftmas. Now, this sweater is so super duper itchy. It is wool, and I don't know if you can see here, but I did actually shrink it a little bit when I washed it, which is okay because I really want to refashion it. I'm so itchy. I really want to refashion this into something else. So that's what we're going to do today. And because it's wool and because it's shrunk a little bit, we hopefully will not need to do any sewing at all. So let's get making. For this quick and easy project, all you need is your shrunken wool sweater and your scissors. So first you want to flip your sweater inside out and then fold it in half evenly with the shoulder seams and the sleeve seams lined up. And then you're just going to pick a spot a little bit down from the sleeve seam, from the armhole, and chop off the sleeves. So if you're wondering why we're using a shrunken wool sweater for this, it is because when wool shrinks, the fibers constrict onto themselves. So that means that it is not going to fray. So when you chop it, you pretty much have a lovely finished edge and you don't have to hem it. You can if you want to, or you can bind it with something, but this truly is a no-sew project if you use felted shrunken wool. And when we flip those chopped sleeves right side out, we have created a very funky pair of leg warmers. Okay, next we're going to take the remainder of our sweater, which is still inside out, and we're going to chop it about 2 or 3 centimeters below those underarm seams, straight across. And when we flip the chopped bottom right side out, we have a groovy little circle scarf that you can wear this around your neck. You can wear it as a hoodie, or if the length is long enough, you can even wear it as a little mini skirt bum warmer if you want to. Okay, now we're going to take that last remaining piece and chop straight up the center through the collar of the front. And we've just created a rather cute and cozy little shrug or bolero jacket. How quick and easy was that to make? And don't we all have kind of an itchy or shrunken sweater in our stash that can easily be transformed into something like this? And it also makes a really cool gift set for someone. So there you go, another present sorted for you. If you want even more nifty, thrifty DIY gift ideas, please feel free to check out my e-course by the same name. It is now on super sale for you guys. Plus, my Refashioning 101 e-course is also on super sale for the holidays. And until tomorrow, stay safe, stay well, and I'll catch ya on the zigzag. This is so much more comfortable. It's not itchy because I'm wearing a turtleneck.
This is Confessions of a Refashionista.